Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to use the Snap feature in Windows 7. Open two applications you would like to work with the maximum both their windows. Click the title bar of one of the windows. Hold down your left mouse button and drag the window to the left side of the screen. When the window reaches that location, you will see a rectangular outline. Release the mouse button. Windows 7 causes the window to fit inside the outline. Move to the other window, click its title bar and drag that window to its screen's right side. An outline will appear there as well. Release the mouse button. The window moves in the outline. When you're done, your two application windows will appear side by side. Work on them as needed. This is how you can snap feature in Windows 7.